Hi everyone, I recently went to Fundera Park at Yelagiri. They have ample of parking space. This is their ticket counter. They have lots of combos and we went ahead with the king combo. I have attached a picture, you can pause and see. As we enter the park, we see that there is a nice seating area, and first we went to see the chicks where there was feeding of the chicks and the ducks. My kid really enjoyed this activity and I think it's a must for everyone who visits here. After that, we went for petting the animals. We started with the rabbit, and here again the kids had a lot of fun. In fact, I also had lots of fun in feeding them and petting them. After the rabbits, we went to the cats area to pet them, but these cats were really naughty and didn't want to come out for petting. However, the dogs were super excited and we really had lots of fun. In the center of the park, they also have this refreshment corner where you can get cupcakes and teas and coffees. It was a delight to see the ostriches in the bird park, and surprisingly, these ostriches had laid eggs. I really hope they had soon. The bird park also had 70 cinema and net cricket. They had an entire section dedicated to exotic animals. You can go through this. After looking at all the animals, we finally visited the bird walk, which is the main attraction of this park. At the entry itself, the caretakers give you food which you can feed to the birds, and the birds are free to fly around in this Avairy, and I think it was one of the beautiful experiences we had. The other attractions include a toy train and a fish spa. These were also included in our King combo package. At the end of the park, they also had a cafeteria which served sandwiches, burgers, etc. Also, I would like to mention that this video is not sponsored. I really wanted to go to this place since 2019, but due to COVID, it was not possible. And if you come here also in summers with your children, they will not feel the direct heat of the sun because they have lots of trees. Even if you come with senior citizens, they have lots of benches so they can rest. Also, the park price point is pretty good. The food is reasonable, and the bathrooms are really well maintained. So I would really suggest, if you stay nearby, you should definitely come here and visit. At the end, they also have a souvenir shop where you can go and buy gifts for yourself. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And for more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe.